Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Exit Code 1. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're going to need to do is go down here and click onto the Windows icon underneath and then type in run. Once the run app appears, give it a click and then this pop-up window will appear in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Now you want to type in here %sign app data and then another %sign and then click onto OK down here. And it's going to bring you up to this folder just like that. Now, after that, you want to look for the folder named .minecraft. Once you find it, open it up and then go to the mods folder and make sure that there's no mods in here. That's because one of the common reasons of this error code to appear is because you've got an outdated mod. So if you find one, go ahead and delete it. And then try relaunching Minecraft and see if the problem got fixed. However, if you're still facing the same issue, then what you're going to need to do is click onto back and then back again. And then this time you want to delete the whole .minecraft folder. Don't worry, it's safe to delete this folder. And when you will launch Minecraft again, this folder is going to be downloaded again. But if you delete the folder, all of your saves and texture packs will be deleted as well. So if you want to keep it, then open up the folder, highlight both the saves and server resource packs folders, and then right-click and copy them onto your desktop. And after you download Minecraft from the launcher, you can bring them back into the new .minecraft folder that will be created. Now let's get back into here. Right-click onto the .minecraft folder and then go down here and click onto the show more options and then go ahead and click onto delete. Once it gets deleted from your computer, you can go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher again. And this time it should work just fine. If that didn't fix the error, then what you're going to need to do is open up your web browser and then click onto the search box above and type in Java and press enter. And then click onto the official Java website to open it up. And finally, click onto the green download Java button to make sure that you download the latest version of Java, and that should fix the error. So that's it. That is how to fix Minecraft Exit Code 1. I hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.